What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an awesome, cheap, easy DIY desk. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so for the top we're going to need one 8-foot 2x12. Then to join the two pieces we're going to use a couple 2x3s. For the legs I got some of these metal IKEA legs from some old crappy one that fell apart. So I'm going to reuse those, but I'll go ahead and put a link in the description for some like these. As well as a list of all the tools and supplies I used today. Okay, we're going to start by cutting our 2x12 right in half. Alright, so this is going to be the basic design of the top. And I was going to go all the way around it to connect it, but I think I'm just going to go and put two boards like this on the underside. Like this to connect it together. Alright, for these two supports, let's go ahead and make them 18 inches. This is optional, but I'm going to go ahead and cut these at a 45 so it'll be less noticeable. Alright, so let's put our supports on. First we're going to put a little wood glue down on the underside. So I would go ahead and use these either 2x3s, or I'd get some sort of 1x, maybe a 1x3 or 1x4 to make these. Now I'm placing these 10 inches in on center. Now let's go ahead and pre-drill our holes. Now I'll come back with a bigger bit so I can countersink them. So we won't see the head. Now we can screw in our screws. Now we'll do this side. Alright, now it's time to screw in these leg brackets. And I decided to put them in a 1/2 inch on either side. We'll go ahead and mark and pre-drill each of our holes. Alright, now let's screw them in. Alright, now I'll finish up the rest of them. Now time to screw my leg on. Alright, now here it is all finished. Now all we have to do is either oil it, stain it, or paint it, and you're good to go. Alright guys, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notifications button. You can see all my upcoming new videos like this. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.